Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to export in a different FPS than your project FPS in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you need to deliver content at a specific frame rate that differs from what you originally shot or edited in without having to recreate your entire project from scratch. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, locate the timeline you want to work with and click on it to make sure it's selected. This ensures that DaVinci Resolve knows exactly which timeline you want to adjust for the export. Now, here's where the magic happens. Right-click on any empty area within your timeline panel. From the menu that appears, select Create New Timeline using selected clips and bins. This creates a duplicate timeline that we can customize with different settings without affecting your original work. A dialog box will pop up with various timeline settings. Look for the option that says Use Project Settings and uncheck it. By doing this, you're telling DaVinci Resolve that you want to override the default project settings and use custom parameters instead. This is crucial for changing the frame rate. Next, click on Format within that same dialog box. Here you'll see an option labeled Timeline Frame Rate. Click on the drop-down menu and change it to your preferred frame rate. For example, if you want to export at 30 FPS, simply select 30 from the list. Once you've made your selection, click Create to generate your new timeline with the updated frame rate settings. The software will take a moment to create this new timeline with your specified settings, so just give it a second to process everything. Now that your new timeline is ready, head down to the bottom of the interface and click on Deliver. This takes you to DaVinci Resolve's export page where all your rendering options are located. In the Deliver page, look for the Timeline Frame Rate option. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select 30 or whatever frame rate you chose when creating your timeline. This ensures that your final export matches the timeline settings you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up DaVinci Resolve to export your video at a different frame rate than your original project settings. This method gives you complete flexibility to deliver content at any frame rate you need without compromising your original edit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.